What's up, bitches? No. Hello. Um, yep. A RAT tutorial, and we're actually going to be fully programming one that uses PHP. So we have a server, and then we have a client. Okay, so the server is going to be written in PHP, and the client is going to be written in C# using web client. Web client, yeah, one web client. Okay, what we're going to do, we're then going to be able to get data. We're going to get data from the server to the client, which will then execute it. So we'll make some variable commands or something, and that's it. That is it. But then we'll also be able to we're going to be able to write to the server as well. Some notes or something, like what time and date they were last on and stuff like that. You know, things like that. And then we've also got to we have to make another client, which is is sort of the server side one. We need server client, which will update server files, grab notes, grab data, update client commands, and grab client data. Update client commands, grab client data. Excuse me. Right. Okay, so that's what we have to do. I know that sounds confusing, but I'm going to make it really, 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 really easy. I'm just going to leave this up for now because we're going to need it. Actually, no, I'll save it to my desktop. Desktop 1, yeah, it's fine. Alright, so, first of all, we're going to create the server part, because that will probably be the easiest. Now, you're going to need a few things for this. We'll get to that in a minute. You're going to need WAMP. If you don't know what WAMP is, just open up your web browser, and you Google WAMP. This is usually this top one, and then depending on your computer, you download which one you need. WAMP is like like when you sign up to a hosting website, to host your website on, you need a host, and that will have a server on it. It won't use WAMP, obviously. Well, yeah, it will use something maybe they've made, or something or other like that. And WAMP is just like one you can use to work on stuff. I use it for a lot, actually. I used it for my last RAT, which was sort of my first ever one I ever made. This is my second, actually, so we're probably gonna go wrong. And I'm not the best at coding. I like to do a lot of research into it while I'm doing it. So if I don't know how to do something, then I'll just Google it. Okay. So we're gonna need to open the zip folder I sent you, and well, that's in the description. And you're gonna need funks. And no, we'll come to that. This funks file contains PHP functions. So new user, check user, get command, and save some data. What we're going to do first, we're going to do a really basic one. Open up your PHP editor. I use Notepad++, and we want to open some tags. I'm going to set the language to PHP as well. Okay, and all we're going to do is echo out. Echo is online, like so. Save, and then locate your WAMP folder, and then from there www, and then call it online.php. What that will do, we'll get the client to check if the server is online using this. So if it can download the string, and the string contains string equals online, then it means it's online. Get me? Okay. That's probably the first bit we're going to do. And then this is where we're going to start using the functions. So we need to make a new file. Language is PHP still. Open some tags. Wow. Close them. I'm going to include funcs.php. The first one we are going to do. Save it as well. We'll just call this one new user. Yep, new user. That's good. Alright. We want to open up the functions folder so we know what we're typing. New user. So we require a new user and an IP address. and we want to download an IP address, so PHP get IP. Oh, no, not up. Get IP. This is the one. See, I don't remember half of this. I don't remember half of it at all. But so what one do we want? We want. I think it might be this one. Yep. Okay. Let's just go paste that in there, and then where is it? Here it is. And then we want actually to get the IP address, we're going to define the value first. So we'll just do IP. Oh, why did I get rid of that? IP equals paste. We don't want to echo it out. We just want to save it as a string, save it as a variable. Okay, so that's that one done. And then what we're going to do, we want to do if is set. I think it's a get value, so get. Is it like that, or is it? No, it's like that. Pretty sure. Get, and then we'll. Hey, we don't actually need to grab anything, do we? We've got the IP. Yeah, we don't need to grab anything. Sorry about that. Then we just do new user IP, like so. And what we can actually do, we can echo that out as well. So if there's an error, then it will echo out error. Okay, so here's our WAMP folder, and I'm using port 81. You just leave the port as 80 because you don't really need to change anything unless you're running something on 80, obviously. It's localhost. Get rid of that. Oh yeah, I forgot it's called new user. So. Oh fucking Christ! And we have an error. So. That looks like it's in the F open, and that's my own fault. Bloody hell! 11. Odd. Line 11. Can't open. Oh, okay, wait a minute. IPA, let's try that. Oh, like so. Maybe we'll just... okay. Oh, the fuck? Oh, okay, it created the file. But, see, like, I'm not the greatest, I mess up all the time. Love me as long as you. Okay, let's actually echo out the IP address. Echo IPA. The fuck? Ooh, that's weird. Alright, alright. Okay. Because I might let me go in by my actual IP address. So cmyip.com 81 forces new user. Have I port forwarded? No, I haven't. I can't even do that. Okay, let's ignore that. Sorry. What I have to do is I just have to define I have to update the variable because I can't use my IP address. So that would be, I don't know, 2.1. That will do because I'm a lazy shit. I really can't be arsed with this. I enjoy doing it. There we go, done. Right. So in the users folder, there is a 2.1.2.1. That is and that's my file, and it will contain the command of mine. I've just set it to null for now. And that's where we'll get the C# server client to come in and update this instead of using PHP, because I didn't exactly figure out how to do it right. So, let's carry on from there. So we've got our new user folder, and that's actually it. So, this is going to be my IP address for now. And I'll have to comment that off, because I don't want it in there a lot. Actually, we'll just take this out. There we go. Alright, so that's that. That's the new user one done. What other functions do we have that we need to implement? Probably check user. That's a good one. Well, that's not a good one, but can be helpful. PHP. Actually, we can just copy a lot of code from. Close that. Just copy half of this and then change it. Check user. Don't forget this is a function from and the reason I stick an echo in front of it is because it returns a value when the function is done. So you return out for check user. If it exists, it will output done. If not, it will output error. So, for example, if I run my IP address with check user, it will output done because this file was there, basically. But if I was to change IPA to, I don't know, 2, save it, run it again. Oh god, run it again. Error out. That's the first time code has actually worked properly for me. I feel cool now. Okay, what other functions do we have? And there's 2 more functions we need here. This get command. This is a really easy one. File.getContents. Oh, it's not even that, we just get command IP address. Right, let's make a new file. Language is PHP again. We can just paste in from last time. And then we're going to do get cmd IPA. Get cmd.php. Right. There we go, it's null. And then again, if I change this to, I don't know, echo, hey there, save it, run it. No, not run it here. We'll just output like that, as you see. That's that. And I think there's one more we need to do. Yeah, save data. This is where we need to use a post value. So let's make a new file, paste that code, set it to PHP again. Sorry if I'm going too fast, but it's better we get the stuff out of the way, really. If is set, you need the underscore there. This don't need to be capitals, but I have always done it like that. Get data. I don't know. I'm gonna string that data, and we'll just call it. We're just gonna grab that data, like so, and then we're gonna use a function. There's a function for this. Save data. Save data like that, I assume, or something or other. Okay. Save data, IPA, and then data. I hope that'll work. Didn't exactly test this. Save data. La 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 la. Right. That was called save data. Oh god, there's a new user in there. God. Do we need to echo out save data as well? No, we don't. It doesn't return any values. But did that? No, it didn't. So run it again. Okay. Oh, that's why. It's because we haven't actually got any data to save. Data equals. Hey there. Run it. There we go. Data, and then we'll return the IP address with that. Yes, it worked. First time, bitches. Okay, there we go. That is basically the server side done and dusted. We don't even need to worry about that anymore. That's good. It's good. We've got that out of the way fast. Okay, the next bit's pretty simple, but you will need Visual Studio or some way to grab some way to to compile to exe. I think we're just going to use console. We'll just call it update cmd. There we go. Okay. Okay. So So we want to define some string. We're going to find some strings. String input equals, actually we'll just call this one IP equals console.read line. Okay, like so. String. Oh, we'll do some. We need to console.write as well, asking for the IP. Man, I've been writing too much VB. Console.write. Oh god, how long has this video been going on for? Oh god. Oh wow, that's pretty good. Console.write. We've done a lot for 15 minutes. New CMD. And we'll just copy this. Copy that. Paste it there. Oh, I need a drink. 1 second. Okay. Alright, CMD. CMD equals console.readline. Alright, if we run that, it'll ask for the IP, so we'll just call it boob. It'll close. That's right, that's good. And then we're just going to Google something. C# overwrite. Overwrite text file. There we go. Oh, there we go. Simple as that, really. Okay. Lines, I know, doesn't exist. CMD. And then we're going to go into data double backslash plus IP. Simple as that. Run it again. We'll stick a while in there actually, while true, to keep it in a loop. Like so. Then again, we're defining strings over and over and over again, so we need to sort that out. String CMD equals null. We're just going to null these out up here. Equals that. Oh, I'll just paste it again and rewrite. Get rid of the string on the front. Okay, it should work still. IP. Alright, now we've got it compiled and working. We are going to. I'll just poke myself in the fucking eye. Okay, right. What am I doing? I forgot what I'm doing. Oh yeah, that's right. Getting the file from here. I forgot what it's called. What am I doing? I just blank sometimes. I don't have a clue why. Update CMD. There you go. Paste it in. Okay. Let's make a new user. Right. Localhost 81 new user PHP. Done. Save data. Done. Okay, that's done. This should say null. Okay, now we're going to get the program. I'm going to update this null value. So the IP is 2.1.2.1 to echo nips or something, I don't know. Noipes. Yes, echo noipes. Right, it worked. Or did it actually? It looks like it just opened up again. Oh no, it did. I swear it. Yep, it worked. Worked fine. Wait, what? What? Edit. Null. Whoa, what's going on? Okay, let's run it again. This is a test. And this is a test. Okay, let's run it again. Let's have a look again. Still says null. We'll delete the file, go back into it. That means we need to import system.io. That means we can get rid of this shit at the beginning here, which is good, because I don't really like having it there. Okay, maybe we can. Can't he? Wait, what? Why can't we? That's the question. Alright, fair enough. File, file. Come on, file dot delete, and the file is data IP. Oh, I know why. Users, we're updating the command. We're updating the wrong thing. Wow. Wow. Okay, we don't need that anymore. Oh wait, yes we do, because we need to copy the new version. Cock. Okay, delete that. Yes, I'm sure. Try again, try again. Oh, it's still open. Wow, I'm a fool. No, don't. Try again. Run. Close. Documents. Projects. Okay, there we go. Yeah, see, a lot of trial and error. That's the problem with this. Data, this should have updated. Did it update? Yes, it did. It did update. It's the one thing we don't want. Is to update the wrong thing. IP 2.1.2.1. This is another test trailer. Users and edit. Yep, there we go, it works. Okay, that is that done. Fuck you. Right. Now, I'm going to go and port forward because we need to do this. I'm not here to give a port forwarding tutorial or anything, but you will need to port forward while this is done. I swear to God, if my fucking route wants to be a bitch and not work, I'm going to really be pissed off. Right. Oh my God. Oh my God, come on. No. What the hell is my IP address? What? Why? Why do you want to be... Oh, it did work. It's being a massive whore, and apparently I can't port forward. Okay, alright, we'll have to work around that for now, which is pretty shit in my opinion. We can close this now, we don't have a need to open that again. I'll just give you the one I wrote anyway. Let's go to the start page, new. This is the file that we are going to be sending to people. Alright, so we're going to make it console based. Yes, console based. And then we're going to make it into a form application, which then isn't technically visible. So, what's the file going to be called? Just trying to think what we could use here. I'll just call it, I'll just call it our game for now, and that can stand for rat game. Actually, G8. Looks like GARM. What can we use? Call it GARM. No idea why, just random, isn't it? Okay, we need to import a few things here. So we're going to be using system.io. We don't need that quite yet, but you can use it to implement your things. System.net, that's it for now. We need to define a new web client, so we're going to do web client we'll just call it client for now, equals new web client. Okay, that's that. That's the client. Now we need to stick a while on. So, actually, do we need to stick a while on? Yes, we do. Well, if we don't, I'm going to take it out later. So, while true, come on, you cock. Right, so while true, now we need to define some stupid little values. So, bool connected equals false. been writing too much VB. So then we're going to do while. Oh, what for that fucking cunt. While connected equals false. And this is where we do the connection. So client dot download string. Yes, download string. And then we need the address. So this is where the IP address would come in hand. What you're going to use when you're writing this, I really want to port forward, and then I can literally do it right in front of you. You're going to want to use like your IP address. So let me just. Why won't you fucking come on, you piece of shit? Right, you're going to want to use your IP address and then the page. But since I'm doing it locally, it's going to be 192.168.0.104. How do you know the difference between internal and external pages? So we're going to we actually need to stick this into an if statement. So if client.download string, it's very ugly. We should have stuck that into a string first. Does not equal online. If you remember, we got to this bit earlier. I said that we need it to be online, so we can check it's online. Actually, no. If it does equal online, which it won't because it won't have connected, then if it's online, then we can do connected equals true. And then it will come out this while statement, and it won't need to come into it anymore. And then we need to define a string, so string last equals null. So when it's connected, when the little bitch is connected, we're going to we need to check if the user just delete that for now. And I should delete the fucking data folders, can't be asked. So we need to check if check user is true or not. So if I do 192, if I just do localhost check user, it will just run as error because I haven't actually got a user. Okay, and then we all need to put all this into an if statement. So if connected equals true. Okay, we can stick all our code in that. Then we need to define a new string actually. Bool user. Actually, no we don't. Fuck that. Fuck that shit, boy. We can just do if client down a string. Oh, what? If but we'll change to check user equals not equal error. So we have to do if it equals error. Then we need to do something called client dot. I'll just copy that for now because we're going to need that. Client dot open read. And the page is called new user. As long as you love la 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 love me. And this is where we can, and this is sort of where we I don't know, we want to put a try catch in here, because if it catches, then we're going to set it to off. We'll set connected to false, and then it will try to reconnect again. It will reconnect when it's, Actually, we want to save. We can save a bit of data here. This is where the save data page comes in handy, because we can open read some data, and that data will be save data, and the data will be equals. Let's get some C# get date, not data set, update. There we go. That's what we want. That right here. Plus, minus that, obviously. Plus, just split like that. Plus, get time. Yeah, I think I've just figured that out on my own, to be honest. Oh my god, that song's pissing me off. Okay, here we go. And we will include last online, last connected. Yeah, that's a better one. Hoping that works, actually. Hoping. Alright, so I'm going to do if client download string. Yep. This is going to be get cmd equals last. Oh, we're going to do not equal last, actually. It doesn't equal the last. And this is where we do. Well, actually, we need to stick a while in here again. So while connected equals true. So it doesn't loop everything over and over again and runs unnecessary code. Okay. We can actually we can download the string. That might save some time. Let's just define. That's oh god, no! Don't delete the fucking if statement. If cmd not equal, try cmd equals client download string. There we go. Is it get cmd? Yes, it is get cmd. Okay, this is where we can define last equals cmd. In the catch, we're going to do connected equals false. Somewhere we're just going to assume that's gone offline and yada 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 yada. All right, so lovely. I'd say that's it, to be honest. We can actually test run this now. Should we do it? Question. Run. Okay. There's the first error. Error. Oh, I didn't even read the fucking error. Wow. To string, perhaps? No, not to array. Bloody hell. Just to string all of these. The given paths format is not supported. Let me look at my old rat source quickly. Let me just see how that worked. It was actually just called rat at the time, yeah. Oh, wrong program. What? What is life? Same sort of thing. Oh, it's because we just stringed everything. Fuck. Well, we'll just make a temporary string then. String temp equals null. Let's just end that. I'm just going to copy this. Let's just call it temp. Temp equals that. As long as you love. And we'll just update temp again. Temp equals that. Just set this to temp. There we go. Hoping. Fuck you. Fuck are you? No idea. No idea, love. No idea. It's pretty odd. Got any arguments? See, this is what the balls. Ah, okay. We'll stick it into a form. See if that changes anything. Wait. Wait, this is a form before even. Go on properties. Set it into windowed. Save. Run. Nothing what I see. Nothing outputs because it's in a different format. Temp equals what the shit. Temp equals what the shit. Wow. Oh. Oh no, that would be download string, wouldn't it? Because like, let's read this some more. Edit. Ow. Oh, okay. Okay, alright. Bitch, please. Fuck it. Open read. Best way to go. Try. Catch. Connected equals false. Right. Okay, wait, no errors. Whoa, no errors. What's going on? Must have worked. It might have worked. It might have worked. Okay, nothing's actually happened. Okay, that's a problem. Oh, maybe it's still on the loop. It's still on the loop, isn't it? Okay, alright, it's still on the loop. Can we, okay, we can't do that. Cock. What is the problem? Oh no. Perhaps it's because we haven't got that in it. But will we be able to? Apparently so. Wait, does that? Sorry, got a really bad cough today. Stick all them in front of it, bitch. Bitch, please run. Okay. Bitch, please. Bitch, please. It worked. Bitch, please. Ah, right. Fuck you. Big time. Fuck you. Sweet. There we go, people. There's the basic rat done. In how long? How long was that? 38 minutes. Fuck you, not 40. Bitch, please. Right, that's it. Until next time, whores.